Coronado Springs. Hello everybody, it's Marky and I got Eva with me. We are staying at Disney's Coronado Springs Resort. Let me give you a tour of this resort so you guys have an idea if you're planning on coming this way. We are right now at the Ranchos section. We're at room 6554, and as you come in, you can see how beautiful this room is. We have a couple of really nice beds. They remodeled this resort in 2019. It was built in 1997, so it's been remodeled for a while. Here's the bathroom. We have the privacy doors, which are really great. They slide open. We have an extra privacy door here. And we need a shower, everything you need. And also a shower head. It's a pretty nice bathroom. This is a moderate priced resort. We have basically everything you will need to stay here. Plenty of charging stations, a nice area to work. We got a nice swivel chair, and we have some nice artwork on the walls. 3 Caballeros. We got Donald Duck, Panchito, Jose Carioca, and we have some more pictures of them up here, which is really nice. A really nice touch. And we have the little reading lights on the sides. So these are really great. Alright guys, this is the building we're staying in right here. That's 6B, the Ranchos. These are the sections, Ranchos, Cabanas, and Casitas. Right here next to the pool we have Siesta's Cantina. Really cool spot to have a snack. Just go out the gate and it's right there. And this right here is the Three Bridges restaurant. We have the convention center, the Casitas, and El Centro, the dig site. That's where the pool is. And then we're staying at the Ranchos, which is right next to the Cabanas, and that's way that way. This is the marketplace, and over here they have the seating area. This is a really big resort. As they have some crisp rice, cereal treats. This is the pasta and pizza station, which smells really good here. Burgers and tacos over there. So we are gonna try the food here at the market. I got the pepperoni pizza. We're gonna go half and half. Ordered the chicken Parmesan. So we asked for an extra plate so we can split both. And like that we get to try both items. They do have chicken, they do have meatloaf, they have tacos. Plenty of items to choose from. Look at this. Delicious looking, and it smells so good, guys. And the pizza looks amazing as well. Here's another view of the marketplace. And we wound up eating here just because we tried to get into the restaurant. A couple of the restaurants, they were all booked. The wait was an hour and 45 minutes. Really good food. We're pretty amazed at how delicious it turned out to be. So no complaints here. We really enjoyed our food here. So you got breakfast 7 to 11, lunch 11:30 to 2, dinner 5 to 11. Grab and go soda refills available 7 to 11. The convention center is this way. Rick's Sports Bar and Grill is right across from the marketplace, and they serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This is where the old lobby used to be, and when they added Destino Tower, they actually moved the lobby over there. So this is now a walkway or a pass-through to get to the Destino Tower. So you head that way. And across here, you have the big giant fountain. The restaurants are that way and the convention center. And then over here you have Panchito's, which is a store. They have these really cool chairs. I just tried them out. He was trying out the sofa now. They have this nice big sofa lounge area here. This is where the old lobby used to be, I was telling you guys. And we're gonna walk that way now towards the tower because we just did our shopping in the little store. So we're heading towards the Destino Tower. Here it is, the Destino Tower. We made it, guys. It's so awesome here. What a beautiful setting. And it's all inspired by Salvador Dalí. Or Dalí. Check this out. Walt Disney up there and Mickey Mouse. It's a beautiful lobby, and we were here at Christmas time. It's amazing. They set the tree over here, and you can admire it from up there, which is great. A really great view. The lobby where you check in is up there. So when you drive in, you actually drive into the second story, and then you can walk down here, and that's how you get outside, which is this way towards the El Dorado Lagoon and towards the 4 or 5 pools. I think we have 5 pools here. Comes Eva as we head up the grand staircase. All right, we made it to the check-in lobby. And you can see this is the main entrance where you can valet your car. This is beautiful, isn't it? Check out all the cool charging stations here and tons of work area. Here's the carport, the entrance, and wow, the fireworks are going off way in the distance. But this is the way you come in if you just drive up and have your car valeted or whatever. What a beautiful hotel. All inspired by Dalí. And over here to the right, check-in desk. And check out the beautiful chandelier here. It's just amazing. A quick look here at the resort map, and you can see how vast this place is. It's pretty big. So we are here right now, right next to the convention center. There's the main tower, the Grand Destino Tower. The Cabanas are up here. There's the dig site, which is the pyramid pool. Over here they have the Ranchos, which is 4 buildings, and then we have the Casitas over here. And these are 4 stories. And then you're back. Okay, so we are at the 3 bridges. How much does it cost to stay here at Coronado Springs? Well, that depends. It can be as low as $250 and way up to $750 and maybe even higher. Depends on where you're staying. If you're staying in the tower, it's more expensive. It depends if you pick the Ranchos, the Cabanas, or the Casitas. So depending on which section you pick, it'll be either cheaper or more expensive. So it is an expensive hotel, but it is beautiful. You've seen most of it already, and I think you can make a choice now. I hope I was a little helpful, guys. I think I'll see you in the next one.